That looks like they've been eating salmon. That's what the poop looks like when they eat a lot of seafood. Really runny and gross. But dip into the woods a little bit.
They look like eating the burn.
We're gonna find any skeletons.
Go ahead.
I don't usually take 9,000 pictures of flowers with my beautiful.
It looked like we've been eating salmon.
You guys, I want you all to think of your favorite shape. Your favorite shape. Shape. There's only one right answer. Alaska. Wait. No. And then on the count of 3, you're gonna scream it as loud as you can right before we go into the forest. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Triangle! Whoever said triangle wins.
Oh.
Circle is a close second.
I think you said steak. That was what I thought the first one kept repeating and finally like,
You getting eaten up, Mike?
What's that?
Are you getting eaten up?
They don't like me. Nobody likes me.
Scream shape.
I kind of like it
I
that
want
way.
you guys to scream triangle. Okay. Shape. Triangle. That is the move right there.
oh, it smells so good. I'm ready to peel off another layer.
Honey,
There might be another kind of flower over here, but it could also be something we've already seen.
thank you for saying something.
Are those violets?
And we've also got some Polytrichum moss. This is one of my favorites. Looks like Dr. Seuss moss. Usually,
There's a mushroom.
What makes it Dr. Seuss?
come take a look at it. I said don't pick anything.
That only applies to us.
Yeah.
You don't get to pick it.
I can't.
I found a
I
little.
can't have 11 people pick into it. This is how it makes the carpet of it.
I see.
Now you see the Dr. Seuss.
Yes.
Yes. There's a little mushroom here.
Oh,
It's
LBM. It is an LBM. Little brown mushroom. There's a lot of those around here.
I'm not sure which that one is.
It's like a JAB.
Bird.
Just another bird.
There's no such thing as just another bird. Are you
No,
kidding me?
it's not.
This is like a nice little pasture for a deer family to take a little nap in, protected by the trees and bugs. All right, let's go further then. We can get on these bugs. I think if we go around this way, it might be a little less branchy for you.
Oh, you brought it back.
A head net.
Oh, this is a twisted stalk. This is gonna have, or they're also called watermelon berries.
Tons of blood.
You're gonna have little white flowers on the underside here,
there.
and those little flowers are gonna turn into a little clearish red berry
No.
that tastes like sort of. I think it tastes like a cucumber, really. Supposedly tastes like watermelon, and they're also
I'm gonna be
named
covered in biscuit
scoot berry because if you eat too many of them. Alright, if you guys see any other like mushrooms or anything, let me know. The moss here, or the moss in general. Oh, these are really cool mosses too. These are called big leaf moss. And they look like little daisies.
Oh, I guess I should have warned you first.
The little black spot, this black spot in there. So when the black spot comes, gets a drop of water in it, it starts.
They can bite
to,
through clothing, too.
fertilize the,
Don't tell me that.
Not that, not, yeah. Your t-shirt, yes, but not all of your clothes.
Not the thick coat, but his thin raincoat.
spread out underneath.
I got flannel underneath that.
It looks like a little daisy. This one's called the big leafed moss.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like a little daisy, and it fertilizes in that little black hole. It's got its little sperm and eggs in there, if you will. Big leafed moss,
So pretty.
isn't it?
It's not what they're serving on our food either.
Don't eat moss. Nothing can really eat moss. They can't process it. But that's what, when we walk by these big roots here, that's what's covered. So you've got the polytrichum next to you there, and this one is the big leafy moss. Nothing really can digest moss. So when bears go to den for the winter, they'll eat a bunch of stuff that clogs them up. It actually puts a plug in their butt so they don't defecate in their den. And one of the things they eat is moss. And then at the end of the year, or the beginning of the year, depends which way you look at it, they come out and they're really constipated, so they have to eat the roots of skunk cabbage. And so, yep. And so they do, and then it's like the most massive bear poop you've ever seen. It was like literally one year I laid next to a pile and it was almost as tall as me.
Oh my gosh!
Insane. I know.
You laid next to it.
That's even amazing.
Another really cool thing, look at this lichen.
Yeah.
This is hypogymnia, or thread lichen. I don't hear any oohing or ahhing, but it's one of my favorite lichens. You should pass it in.
Lichen.
Oh!
Ooh, look at the lichen.
There we go.
Me like you.
You liking the lichen?
Yeah.
All right.
Hypogymnia, that's special lichen. Come on. Alright, we're gonna come through here. I'm gonna hold these branches back for you guys and you can hop into another
Yeah.
You can drop it before the last one. He ain't smacked around.
Do you hear what she said?
Don't pay attention.
She wants me to vacuum the stick.
That doesn't surprise me. Wouldn't surprise me any.
Alright. I'm gonna get you guys to appreciate lichen before we end.
We're not worried about Liz and her birds yet.
Okay. So that lichen we just saw over there. Nick, I'm sorry you've already heard some of this, but this is a new kind of lichen for you. So we've got 3 different kinds of lichen. You guys have seen the old man's beard that's come down off of the plants. That's a fruticose lichen. Can't tell if there's a back or a front, right? You've got a foliose lichen that's like this. Looks like a leaf. You can see the back and the front of it. And then we've got crustose lichen. Those are the ones that look like someone spray painted them on a rock or a tree or something. And they're all, who knows what lichen is made out of. And something else really cool that we've already seen today. Poop! Combination of algae and fungus. Exactly. Right. And sometimes like
Leave it to you.
bacteria, yeast, things like that. So
You say I'm bad.
There's something called lettuce lichen.
No, Loberia is lettuce lichen,
Oh,
and
okay.
it's a little bit different. This one is called Peltidra, or frog's pelt. And because it has the mushroom aspect of it, the fungus part is this whole thing. It's the thallus. The algae is a little circular ball inside a fungal thread. So the fungus or the algae is photosynthesizing, creating food, and the fungus is making a house for the algae.
Ah.
And when there's a bunch of different ways these things can reproduce. One way is by me ripping this piece off of that larger piece and setting it down. It's going to create two plants by fragmentation. Another way, the mushroom aspect of it has a fruiting body, which are these little brown things. They can sometimes look bright red or bright orange, and depending on the lichen, it's going to look all different colors. And this will explode and spread its spores all over, and if those spores find the right algal spores, then they will create this lichen again. These things at the bottom, they are not roots though. They're just they're called rhizomes, and they're there just to anchor them. And you see how it kind of looks gray on the corners? That's because it's drying up and about to become dormant. So if we get some water and pour it on this, it's going to be all dark green. When it's wet like this, it's able to photosynthesize and grow. When it's not wet, it is dormant, and they can stay dormant for at least 40 years.
Oh, jeez.
Maybe hundreds of years, no one knows, because that's kind of as long as we've been studying any particular type. We've sent lichen to space, and it will survive tons of radiation, and it's fine. It comes back to Earth, and it's dormant up in space. You bring it back to Earth, and it starts photosynthesizing again. So it's an extremophile. Yeah, pass it around. Give it a touch.
And all these hummingbirds. Oh, they're mosquitoes.
There's lots of different chemicals that they find in
I just inhaled one.
in lichen that they're found nowhere else in the world. Thousands of them. And here in Glacier Bay National Park, there are over 1,000 species of lichens. So it's a hot spot.
Grandma.
All right, we do love lichens. You're right.
Here you go.
Let me get a picture of you with this Peltidra. I've never seen somebody so excited to hold a piece of lichen.
Getting you pretty good?
Yep, they are. They're eating me.
Circle.
Has anyone not gotten to hold the lichen?
Nope.
I'm good, thank you.
Do your magic.
So did you do this check earlier today or another day?
I went on the Bushwhack Light with yesterday. There was fungus there, so we got lichen, so we got the lichen top, all the different types, but it was much wetter there, a lot denser for it.
Oh, she found 10 more minutes of speech.
Stay away from the massive.
Talking to you guys about all the lichen, I was worried she was going to turn to me and ask.
Oh, that's pokey.
And when you're not the other?
I got it. Thank you.
Ooh, there's a robin egg.
Oh,
Does someone want to get Tara?
where's the nest?
Tara?
It's probably up there. Yeah.
Just perfect.
We have a robin who's nested on the crossbar of the porch on the There's a robin's egg back here that Nick found.
What?
On the ground, it's
Cracked already?
yeah, no one's home, but you know.
No one's home.
There's an Easter egg. It was left over. And then, what did he say?
A robin's egg.
Oh.
Blue color. It's a pretty little egg. Oh, beautiful. So, bear poop and a robin's egg. That goes on the board.
Absolutely.
They're noteworthy. That seems fair.
Bear poop.
Scat.
I wish these skaters had scat.
They were the
Yeah,
they were
more
Alaska
than
state
likely
bird.
something ate it.
Exactly.
Have you guys all seen a robin's egg before?
Yes.
That beautiful blue color? Mm-hmm. Good find. Okay, that's amazing.
There's got to be an exit trail up here somewhere.
No, it's an endless loop.
The mosquitoes have a buffet coming through.
No, this was a little farmhouse, so that was to fire radiant.
Oh yeah, this will make more sense. This is its major cache. So the Douglas squirrels here, they eat the Sitka spruce tree cones. They take these little things out, they nibble it like a corn on the cob, and then they bring the little nuts up into their little caches. So this is called a squirrel midden, and they don't really live here. They just hide all their food here. And usually there's one branch where they'll sit on. It might be here. It's usually a little bit higher up, but it's a branch that doesn't have any bark on it or anything, just that's where they sit when they're eating. And then these things get enormous, huge. And usually if they're active and you're around them at all, they start to chatter at you really bad. So this one looks a little bit collapsed.
This is the cache, and that's the remains.
So underneath is where where they store the cache.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, in all these little holes.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Got it. Thank you.
It might have been. I mean, it looks like he collected a bunch of the cones and never really did anything with them. So maybe something got him. Just speculating. I don't know. So this tree here, this is a Sitka spruce. You can tell that by its bark. You see the circles that come out here? You guys notice that? We call it potato chip bark. The hemlocks have more of a bacon strippy look to them, so it's easy to tell the two apart from just their bark. This is also a pretty young forest. There's still a lot of alders, so the fruit comes next, and probably the hemlocks coming too. There is small bits of scat, but I'm not sure what it's from. It could be fair scat. Just walking and ripping as it walks along, but I think it might be.
Oh yeah, you just missed the poop.
I know. I was hoping you wouldn't walk in it.
I bet this is decaying mushroom.
you go to the Lost Lands event in September?
Where?
Lost Lands in September?
No,
Big
so
concert.
it was I just finished my freshman year.
You know that I've been fooled
So
before by
they
taking
told
mushrooms, though.
I'm from Pennsylvania.
It wouldn't be attached to the forest floor like that.
Like maybe 20 minutes outside Philly.
East I think. Or
Yeah.
what?
Justice Grizzly?
Anybody want to hold this for a picture?
He can't smell, so give him anything gross. It's fine.
I always tell people,
That's handicapped
you know
now.
how like show up where actually where they're from. I always say Philly.
Has
because
no
that's where
olfactory
Colin
bulb.
Philly.
It's not as bad if we keep moving.
But then I met
That's the point.
I get it.
I'm not liking it.
Me either.
I just wanted to get you on the rebound.
Music and stages and
What's that for this guy?
Wash the poopies, honey. Wash the poopies.
I see.
This looks like somebody's nap spot. This looks like a day bed for a bear.
That hollowed out.
Yeah, you can tell it's kind of all ripped apart over here.
it's all shiny too. What's shiny? All the scat we walked through.
Oh, that's not scat, that's mustard.
Those are mushrooms?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not stepping in them either.
It's good.
I'm glad you don't have those mushrooms with me.
About that mushroom is that even though it was dead and rotted, it was hard to pull up. Yeah.
Pointing at something. I was like, what am I looking at?
You just chill right there when you come.
Pretty cool tree. Got that too.
It's through the, yeah, the meadow.
Are those squirrels holding?
Yep. Yes, they are. Little Douglas squirrel. You're welcome. We're gonna go to this clearing and see what's going on there, and then we'll maybe pop out into the field.
More bugs. We'll pop back in the field. More bugs.
I don't know how there could be any more bugs than there are here.
Additional things. Circle!
Nice opening. See what else is out there.
You heard her, Jeffrey.
Yes, dear.
Yeah. I don't know.
Must be
I mean, you
aliens.
can see that that's a bear foot right
Yeah.
there, right?
Yeah.
So maybe it was trying to find a cool place to lay and it was wet in there and dug it out last summer.
Tara,
Yeah.
they told us if we had to go in the woods, take a shovel, dig a hole. He dug his hole. He was
And then
listening.
he decided, never mind.
Is the bear in the woods?
That is wild.
Wherever he wants to.
Anyone want to get in there for a photo?
Get in there, Dad. Pretend to be a bear. Look like a bear.
Pretend to be a bear.
I know what that.
Rawr.
You have to do this, Dad.
Cute. Adorable.
It'd be better if you were lying down.
Exactly. Curled up. Showing us what the bear would have looked like in the hole.
That is really interesting.
It was actually a camper.
Yeah.
Digging fire.
And a bear just walked by and left the print. It was like, I've never
That's
seen
why
a
the camper.
human.
That's why the camper left.
The dad walking in the field trying not to step on flowers. Got another one.
Ugh.
Do you want me to just leave them there?
I don't care.
Well, when
You
I
can
pack
keep
them up,
hitting me
they're
if you
not
want.
white, So this is just like a little relief for the guy.
I was contemplating having a moment of silence here because I hear birds, but I don't think these bugs are, except for the people with bug nets. Usually when I try to do that, all I hear is rustling and rain. But try to just there's a few birds chirping. Just another bird, maybe.
Ah, the wind. Not enough wind, I guess.
A little bit helps though.
Well, let me do it. Actually, we'll go around here. Don't want to have to go into this trench. If I'm ever doing something that's edging towards not
Still taking notes?
Are they on? On the ones I'm not familiar with, I did try to put their names down. There's one I missed, but I think I can figure that out. The yarrow. We got those at home. Not bad for children.
Bear can make quick work of these though.
And there's got to be more than one.
I take my videos and run them through AI. It'll transcribe it.
Cool.
It'll make a list of everything, all the plants and everything.
Oh, it will identify.
Yeah,
It won't translate what she said.
These are mostly gnats.
it'll transcribe it.
Except the mosquitoes.
You're definitely making the trail, don't you think?
Oh, and now there's a skiff coming up, so. Sun's still beautiful down there.
Yeah.
Flowers already come and gone, and there's a little tiny baby strawberry in there developing. So not too long.
Are there summer flowers over there?
I've never heard of them being like something people select. But probably the first.
Tony, stop. You got a mosquito on you.
Oh, here's another plant that we haven't seen yet. Yeah, but this stuff here is called silverleaf. This is gonna have a, you know, it has silver on the back of the leaf. Clever name, huh? It's go ahead.
What are the red stems?
Those are from the strawberries. They're called stolons. They're not leaves. They create little asexual plants. So yeah, it's a way that they reproduce. The silver leaves will have yellow flowers on them, and they also have on them. And animals very silver leaf? I don't know. I've never been.
I'm just getting more of that.
Fish. Well, I saw everybody but you. I figured I wasn't dragged away by a bear. You probably was a better throw.
Yeah.
By yelling triangle or? How would he let us know?
I'd say run, Kate. It's too late for me. And we got the bugs back.
Almost got us over.
Bushwhack number 2 is about 5 to 10 minutes out from Fanto.
Alright guys, we're gonna go see if we can wrap our way around this way and then we'll walk back on the beach. We're gonna have to go to the same place for a pickup, so we'll head over that way ultimately at the end.
Did you snack on bugs?
Hmm?
Have you been snacking on bugs?
They've been snacking on us.
Has anyone actually gotten bit by any?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's exciting. At least yet, maybe I should say that.
Surprised we ain't seen any wild garlic. I haven't seen any. Well, this looks like a detour.
No, there are the vultures, circling above the